How to fix Hey Siri not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the settings application on your device and then tap on the Siri option you see there. Further, tap on the Talk to Siri option and then set it to Hey Siri or Hey Siri, and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for press side button for Siri. See if that helps, and if not, then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for press side button for Siri, and then wait for a while and then turn it back on, and you will be asked to retrain your voice. So do that and your issue should have been fixed. If not, then it could be that your microphone has blocked or it's dirty, so remove the case and clean the microphone holes from bottom and near the camera, and then test by recording of voice memos. If the voice memos sound muffled, then it's likely a hardware related issue. Next, in settings again, tap on battery and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for low power mode, as sometimes Siri responsiveness is reduced through low power mode. Also, if your phone is facing downwards, or if the screen is fully covered, or if your phone is in a pocket or a bag, then turn the face up and try again. Also, make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, as Siri needs internet for most tasks, so you can switch between Wi-Fi and cellular if your internet connection is poor. Also, in settings again, tap on Siri and then tap on language and make sure that your language matches how you speak, and if Siri does not recognize, then you can try changing the language. Also, in settings again, tap on screen time and then tap on content and privacy restrictions and make sure content and privacy restrictions is enabled. Further, tap on the intelligence and Siri option you see there and then tap on Siri dictation and toggle on the toggle button for Siri dictation. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart fixes most of the Siri glitches and other temporary glitches on your iPhone. And the last fix is, in settings again, tap on general and then on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version. And if not, then update your iPhone and Siri should be working just fine by now. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Hey Siri not working on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.